Okay, welcome to Gentomatics Mathematics tutorial. In our previous lessons, we explained the concept of LCM. So today we'll be solving some problems on that. Now, the first one, LCM of 3 and 4. When you're finding LCM or you're asked to find the LCM of numbers, this is 3, this is 4. Before you start solving, you check, is there any number that can divide these two numbers at the same time without remainder? Apart from 1, you check. 2 can divide 4, but 2 cannot divide 3. 3 can divide 3, but 3 cannot divide 4. So there's no number that can divide these two numbers exactly without what? Remainder. So when you find something like that, the LCM becomes the product. So the LCM of this becomes 3 times 4. You're not solving anything again, which is 12. So this 12 becomes the LCM of 3 and 4. Because there's no number that can divide both of them without remainder exactly. Now we'll move to the next one. 4 and 5, the LCM. Also, there is no number apart from 1 that can divide these two numbers at the same time without remainder. 2 can divide this, but 2 cannot divide this. 5 can divide this, 5 cannot divide this. So we multiply again. The LCM becomes 4 times 5, which is equal to 20. Move to the next one. LCM of 4 and 8. You check, is there any number that can divide these two numbers without remainder? 2 can divide, 4 can divide. At first, you just find one number that can divide it. You can't multiply again like this. You solve it the way I'll solve it now. Since 2 can divide 2 of them without remainder, we draw a line. We write our 4 and write our 8. 4 and 8. Say 2 can divide. You start from the least number that can divide any of these numbers. And the least number that can divide any of these numbers is what? 2. So we start. Apart from 1. So we start. 2 divides 4 is 2. 2 divides 8 is 4. 2 can still divide. 2 divides 2 is 1. 2 divides 4 is 2. Now 2 divides again. This is 1 and 1. Whenever you're solving this and you get here to be 1 and 1, you stop there. You stop there. You're almost there. Then you multiply these numbers. You have here. So LCM now becomes 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us what? 8. So this 8 is the LCM of 4 and 8. Let's move to the last one. 10 and 15. Is there any number that can divide these numbers without remainder at the same time? Yes. 5 can divide 10 and 5 can divide 15. So we are not multiplying like we did here. We solve it this way. So we have 10, 15. Remember, you start from the smallest number that can divide any of these numbers. You start from 2. You check, can 2 divide anything here? Yes, 2 can divide 10. So you use 2. 2 divides 10 is 5. 2 divides 15, you have remainder. Whenever you have remainder, repeat that number. Don't divide it, repeat it. Now you check, what is the next number that can divide any of these? After 2, you check 3. Can 3 divide any of these? Yes, 3 can divide 15. So we go with 3. 3 divides 5, there's a remainder. So you repeat that 5. 3 divides 15 is 5. Now we're left with 5 and 5. We divide with 5. 5 divides 5 is 1, and this is 1. Since we are left with 1 and 1 here, we stop. We multiply these numbers here. The LCM now becomes 2 times 3 times 5, which is what? 30. Let's check. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. So this 30 becomes the lowest common multiple of 10 and 15. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you have any question or any difficult tasks, please drop it in the comment section. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, and God bless. Thank you.